Well guys, so earlier this week I got a DM from this company called MAXPEEDINGRODS. You might have seen we did our rods on our 2J. The rods from their company. They DM'd me, asked me if I want to review another product. I'm like, sure. They sent me a mysterious box over here, and I don't know if you know what this is, but this is a absolutely massive turbo. I don't even know if I'd be able to use it, but like this is, let's take off the cap. That's massive. That's like the biggest one I've ever seen. Let me see just how big it is. So it comes with a customer service card here. It says focus on performance, and honestly, I'm just focused on this turbo. I've never seen a turbo this big. I'm in awe right now. I don't understand how. Thank you, MAXPEEDINGRODS. You're gonna see this go on the BMW because I can't figure out another vehicle that this would be useful on. Imagine this thing with the 2J. Oh my goodness, this, yeah. Thanks, MAXPEEDINGRODS.
He just screwed everything in. It just came right back out.
You open? Wow. Still smells the same. Look at the fuse right there. Chances are you're watching this video and you have no idea what's going on. You have no clue what you're watching, and you probably haven't seen this car at all if you're not an OG of the channel. And I'm gonna explain that all right now.
Is it taken out?
So this is our first project Miata that we've ever got. This is the first thing that was supposed to start with this channel with Monster Motoring. You're supposed to have a new team, as see the person in the video there. He was supposed to be part of it. Everything ended up changing, and we ended up having to do a lot of restructuring, including, you know, the plans for this Miata. And it was a project, but the plan was for it to be done within months. Obviously, that hasn't happened if you haven't seen it yet. This is how how it used to look, and we put on one wheel, and yeah. So we did some light modifications to the car, and where the car was left off was getting these wheels. As you'll see at this moment, they have Hoosier Racing Slicks on it, and this is pretty much where the car has been left off. We dropped it off by one of our team members, former team members in Pennsylvania, and for the next couple of years, he pretty much did no work to the car, which I don't know what the situation was with it, but now we have the car back, and this is pretty much where we're left off. I'm not going to really explain what happened with the car, but just know the car pretty much got impounded, and we got it back after a lot of time and a lot of money and a whole lot of drama. So this is our video of us getting the car back.
Oh guys, don't leave your car in another state unless you can work on it. This is what happens. This is about the tow yard and impound. You gotta pay $2,000 to get it out. Nothing's on there. It's been 2 years, nothing's been worked on. Spider webs in there and everything. Jordan, how long has this been sitting here for?
What?
How long has this been sitting here for?
2018, September.
And what is it now?
It's, last time I checked, it's 2021. It's April.
And what's been done to the car?
Nothing. Look at this. This is the first quick detail I ever bought. You got turbo piping in here. You got a blow-off valve, intercooler piping. Oh god!
Hopefully the e-brake doesn't seize.
It's moving.
It's stuck in the ground. There it goes. Bump started?
No problem.
Paperwork to get towed.
Question is, how much is the tow gonna be?
He has 100 miles free.
What is it? So how much is it after that?
How do you feel about this whole situation?
It's messed up, man. Should have just let them know 2 years back at least, or when it got towed back in January. Messed up.
You know, my boy got the curls working. Got the curls working.
You already know. Hold on. I got some gray hair somewhere here. I got some gray from the stress.
Historic. Thick boys. Look at that. Thick boys. Yeah, so I'm more happy there. Is there a rod through it? That thing's messed up. Wow.